To make money, average people often choose the route of going to college, getting a job, and working until retirement. This route is what they believe will give them good finance in the future, allowing them to improve their life with every step. While it is true that this route will make you earn good money and improve your lifestyle overall, it will not be good enough to make you financially abundant. Unfortunately, not a lot of people are aware of their other options rather than this one to achieve just that. Hi, welcome to Grayson Finance, and if you want to know more about 3 money rules you probably didn't know about, then please keep on watching. A lot of people around you will give monetary advice that will actually help you start on a good foot towards your financial journey. Pieces of advice like spending your money wisely, budgeting your income smart, and always saving enough money are all good advices to help you get a strong start on pursuing your financial goals. Most often, people would also advise you to go to college to earn your degree as a stepping stone to land a good-paying job in the future. While this is true to some extent, in reality, you will not earn as much as you thought you will with just a college degree. But not to worry, not all is lost. You have other things to try in any stage in your life. At number 1, you will never get rich with selling time for some money. A lot of people choose their degree in college because of job demands and their expected salary. After you get into your chosen course, you'll start working hard for your future dream job that you think will solve your financial worries. But when you do get the dream job after earning your college degree, you'll soon realize that your income falls short of your expectations. It won't allow you to live the financial life that you desire. You'll realize pretty quickly that you will never get truly rich with a 9-to-5 job. There are 2 factors on why you will not be able to be financially abundant if you're doing a 9-to-5 job. First, being employed for a job means you have a boss. This boss will dictate how much money you can earn and thus will oftentimes take you on the losing end. Every year, businesses cut costs to increase revenue as every business gets competitive. In the private sector, most employers cut costs by paying their employees very little, just enough to not make it a crime. Many workers are forced to accept very little wages as applying for jobs makes a tough competition among applicants. If you don't accept the little wage you are offered, then it will be offered to another very easily. Second, you only have so many hours every day for work and it still won't be enough. You are basically selling your precious time in exchange for money. If you look at any of the richest people in the world, they almost always never exchange time for money. This is because they know well that there is very little income and very few working hours a day. Unless you spend 1,000 hours a day working, your 9-to-5 job will never suffice in providing a rich life. So instead of exchanging time for money, what else can you do? If you look at Bill Gates, he started a business where he sold something that is scalable, needed by people, and will be valuable to a lot of potential customers. He started Microsoft and paved the way for computers to be used by almost everyone, and conveniently at that. Bill Gates is a good example of a person who did not sell his precious time every day for money. You might then be thinking that it's hard to come up with something to sell that ticks all the boxes on the checklist for sellable products. People are not trained to sell value as school never teaches you this type of thing. Don't worry, however, as selling and knowing what product to put up for buyers can always be learned through education and practice. If you want to sell scalable value, being passionate about your products always comes first on the to-do list. Elon Musk had a strong passionate desire for the world to progress. With this passion, he did PayPal for convenient payment transactions, Tesla for sustainable transportation, and even SpaceX for furthering space travels. By envisioning all of these, he got massive wealth in return. If you study the rich people long enough, you will actually learn that they earn their abundance through many different ways, including their generosity and selflessness. Take, for example, Bill Gates. After he accumulated so much wealth, he then started to help people around the world to gain access to clean waters and stop the spread of infectious diseases using his own money as funding. So to be able to get rich, learn how to create value, not sell time. This value will be directed towards people's needs and be able to solve their problems. Number 2, no man is an island. You've learned that if you want to be rich, you need to create value, but simultaneously, you need to not sell too much of your own precious time. So how can you really create that value you need to increase your finances? Well, You will need to bring other people into your team to tap into their time, expertise, and energy. If you get acquainted with other people, you will learn to cooperate, build a partnership, and work with them to achieve selling and creating value. You can offer a sustainable pay in exchange for everything they have to offer. This is the typical employer-to-employee relationship that has proven to be very helpful in wealth accumulation. When Bill Gates started Microsoft, he was just a one-man team whose expertise was in computing. As his business expanded, however, it was inevitable that he needed to hire more workers that would work for his team. Hiring people is a crucial part of helping your business to grow successfully. He hired people to work on areas that he was not much of an expert on, like legal affairs, accountancy, as well as more engineers to work with him. Through his effort in choosing the right people, the collective skills in one project made a very successful business. You might be thinking that, what if you really don't have the money to employ people to work for you? Well, you can always start with being acquainted and building relationships with people who will be a great help to you. You can exchange expert advice on something in exchange for tips that are beneficial for your plans. That way, you gained advisors and friends. If you want to achieve greater things in life, you can never do it alone. No man is an island. Learn to build strong connections with people who will be of great help with your plans. Number 3. Technology will be a great help in increasing income. Technology is a great part of our life. Our phone is with us almost 24/7, and even in sleeping, it is right beside us or within arm's reach. We are dependent on technology with entertainment, support, and most importantly, communication. One thing that you should realize is these are not the only things you can use technology for. It can be a very helpful tool if used correctly. Technology has gone far from where it was before. Now you can complete your job and earn at least $100,000 per year in the comfort of your own home. This proves how powerful and helpful technology can be. In technology, more people can be accessed, which means more potential customers and an increase in potential revenue. So if you want to have your business reach more people and flourish, technology will be the best tool to open that opportunity for you. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to press like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep you updated on new helpful videos.